money hacks schools don't teach you. Quick question: why did school teach us algebra, but not how to save, invest, or grow money? Today, I'll share 3 money hacks that can change your life. $100 saved plus invested grows into thousands over years. Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Lesson: start small. Start now. Cashback apps plus credit card rewards. Example: some people save $500 plus a year just by using the right card. Lesson: don't ignore free money. Skills bring more money than degrees. Example: learning copywriting, coding, or digital marketing can double your income. Lesson: education doesn't end in school. Take $10 today, put $5 into savings. Investing: use $5 to learn a skill. Small steps compound into big results. So here's the truth. Financial freedom isn't taught in schools. It's learned by you. Start today with one hack. Save, invest, or skill up. Your future self will thank you.